I season up some curry shrimp. These are the cooked one. The best one to buy is the raw shrimp. So when you're not looking shrimp, buy the raw one. So it deviant already. If you want to take off the tail, you can, but I am not. So that I'm gonna add some adobo, all-purpose. This is a little salty, so you have to be careful or you use it. I'm also gonna add some turmeric. I'm also going to add some garlic powder. We're going in with a little complete seasoning, just a little, and some curry powder. I'm gonna try this for the first time. I also have better pack curry, but I'm gonna season it with a little of this curry and then burn the better pack curry. I'm also gonna go in with a little olive oil, just a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna have no gloves at hand, so I'm gonna use this to mix it. Alright, so we don't season this, so I just set this aside. So I'm just gonna speed up this video so that it can go by a little faster. What I'm doing here is peeling some potato. I'm also scraping some carrots. If you have a potato peeler, then your life would be easier, trust me. I am also gonna peel some garlic. So I'm smashing it to make it easier to peel. I'm also gonna scrape a small piece of ginger. I'm also gonna use a small yellow onion. I'm gonna use a green bell pepper. I also have a orange bell pepper along with some red bell pepper. But you can honestly use whatever bell pepper you have or even none at all. Scotch bonnet pepper, I'm using the seed because I want it to be a little spicy. Then I'm gonna dice the potatoes and carrots. With the garlic and the piece of ginger. I'm gonna set those aside and then move on to the next step. To the pot, we're gonna add some olive oil. Alright, so we're going with garlic and ginger. We're gonna do half pack of better pack curry. I'm gonna go in with me onion. you want to keep this on low. I'm also going to go with my Irish potatoes and my carrot, right? Along with some Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme. We're going to use some coconut milk. So just need enough coconut milk for cook the Irish. So use this. So I'm just going to cover this and cook the Irish. Alright, so let's check the coconut. Alright, so I'm going to leave this uncovered so that the coconut milk can reduce before I add the bell pepper and shrimp to the pot. So now I'm going to add the shrimp to the sauce. I'm also going to add the bell pepper to the sauce. Then then we're gonna steam this. So this I will go and do it in. So now I get about, I'll come back about 4 minutes. So at 4:36 now. So then I'll come back 4:40, which is 4 minutes, and we'll see where I'll go and work from. Alright, so we'll check in on this now. Right, so I'm gonna taste the sauce now, just to make it know if we need any more salt. So taste it. Alright, this needs a little more salt. So I'm going with this because it's having sauce. So I'm add a little of this to it. Alright. I'm gonna stir it. And then we'll taste it again. Alright, perfect. So guys, this is it, you know. This is it. I remember them shrimp already cook already, so maybe I need a lot more. Maybe I need for the too much. So, that and that.